kumusta? How are you? By the way, I'm here in my garden right now, and just exactly I'm here in my garden. The rain pours so hard. And guess what I'm doing? I found a plastic bag, then I put it in my hat so I not get wet for a little bit. So I harvest a little bit. I will show it to you. Because this loofah, if you harvest it later, it become hard. Look at that shape. And I harvest also my cucumber, the snowy variety type. And that's my harvest. So this loofah, the more I harvest, the more it have a lot of fruit. See? And there's more there, and there's lots of baby loofah in that area there. And here too, see? If you plant couple or 4 plant, you have plenty. You know, this here, there's more loofah coming, excuse me, popping out. The more, that's what it says, the more I harvest, the more you have a lot of loofah in here. Small or big. And this one, it's loofah. In here, it's really, rain is pouring so hard. Loofah morning. Loofah morning. See this, I already showed it the last time, but there are 5 watermelons here that is yellow variety, and there's loofah that's hanging in there. So it's really heavy because see, this one I can hardly, yesterday I carried a big one and I can hardly carry it because it's really huge. This variety is huge. Oops. I know this is ready because look, it's already, the string is already dead and supposed to be turns brown, and that one it's not more than, it's more than brown. And this one, so there's a hollow sound when you like that. And loofah, more loofah. There's more watermelon on the top. Whoa, it's a lot of watermelon. This one too, it's ready. Because look, the string here is dead or it's brown. And the sound is, look. Yeah, and then it turns yellow. That's what it says, dark. And then the spots turns really green and yellow. So I think that's ready too. And there's one in here. That's not ready. Sound. Loofah. And I have very big loofah, but I let it go to seeds. And you know what, loofah is a good plant to grow. Why you like to you want to grow loofah? Besides, you can eat it's edible. You can make soap. I mean, when it's dry, and then you pour the soap in there and you have scrub plus you have a soap. Or another option is you can make this one as a scrub in your body. This is really big, and look, so long. I'm waiting for the rain to stop. There's baby loofah in here. Look. This is a female. The female is very long, and in the male is only flower. There's no body in it. So if you want to have more loofah, you can pollinate it using the other flower, male flower, and you put it in there and wipe it around that. You can have lots of loofah. Every day in these videos, I harvest, and boy, I enjoy it. While harvesting, I eat too. Last time I harvest this one, I think Friday, yeah. And then now there's more. There's more ripe. Tomato. It's sweet. Boy, it's good. Try to plant this variety. It's like a candy. There's some is like a little bit sour, but not all is sweet. It's really mostly it's sweet. I'm not really a big fan of tomatoes, but this one is exempted. We're waiting for the rain. This is my flower patch in there, the zinnia. Goodness, it's rain is pouring so hard, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna harvest my tomato here, so I use up my time. I don't have my umbrella here. I will not melt by the rain, so it's fine. But I will gonna harvest some of the tomato here. There's still more. There's still a lot of unripe tomatoes, so oh, just throw it away. Woo! Look, there's. I end up hiding. I'm inside the car because the rain is pouring so hard and I don't want to get wet because I'm not ready to get wet. By the way, thank you for watching, and if you like my video, don't forget to click thumb up, and until next time, thank you. Bye bye.